here's how to create LinkedIn business page in mobile. The first thing you need to do is close the LinkedIn application. We're going to create the page through an internet browser instead. So open your preferred browser and go to linkedin.com. Then press enter. Once the website loads, sign in using your LinkedIn account. After you've signed in, look at the top right corner of your browser and click on 3 dots. Then scroll down and select Desktop Site. Now that you're viewing the desktop version, select the square icon at the top right, scroll all the way down, and choose and hold Create a Company page. Then select Open in a new tab. Now go to that tab and you will see this type of page. Keep in mind that you need at least one connection on your LinkedIn account before you can create a business page. Now select the type of business you want to create a page for. I'm going to choose company. You can now start entering your business information. First, enter your business name. LinkedIn will automatically generate a URL for your page based on the business name you provide. If you want, you can customize this URL and change it to something else. If your business has a website, enter the website address in the appropriate field. Next, enter the industry your business operates in. For example, I'll type marketing and then choose the most relevant option from the drop-down list. After that, select your organization size and choose the appropriate organization type. Finally, you can upload your business logo. You can also add a tagline or a short description explaining what your business does. Once you've entered all of the required information, check the box at the bottom and click Create Page. Your LinkedIn business page will now be created. Once the page has been created, you can manage it directly from the LinkedIn mobile application. Simply close your browser and open the LinkedIn app. Then tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Under Manage Pages, you should now see the business page you just created. Select your page, and from here you can manage the different features and settings available for your LinkedIn business page. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.